Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Skyscanner filters. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want to and simply go ahead and search for Skyscanner. So let me just go ahead and do that. Click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, so for example, let me see if I want to go ahead and search for hotel. So for example, if I want to head to Dubai, and I'm gonna go ahead and select my check-in and check-out dates and just choose how many adults are gonna be there and how many rooms we want, and simply go ahead and click on search. As you can see, all these options are gonna pop up. Now what I want to do is simply go ahead and select only the places with breakfast included. What I can do is just click on this breakfast included filter right over here, and it will show me only the ones with breakfast. Now I can also go ahead and select prices. As you can see, there are price ranges that you can select as a filter. You can also select how many review scores they have covered. So as you can see, we can search for that. We can also search for hotel star rating. So it could be a 4-star, 5-star, 3-star, whatever, right? And then you can also go ahead and choose room type, amenities, neighborhoods, and many more filters right over here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.